Hello everyone, this is Monique Apodaca and this is my Module 12 Data Protocol for AEP 858 Data Analysis and Assessment. So to begin with, I have made kind of like a printout poster that I would hope just to hang on the walls. Teachers could keep it in their workstations or their planners. And this would be the Continuous Improvement Data Protocol poster. So we start in the top left corner to create a plan. That's where you begin when you want to make improvement based on data-driven instruction. So the first step, create a plan. After choosing the area that needs improvement, you need to analyze previous data and create an action plan. So what are you going to do to change that data? Once you figure out what you want to change, that specific area, and how much you want it to change, you'll shift over to the next section, which is implement. After creating an action plan, implement the steps needed to see improvement in that chosen area. So that would be in the classroom, maybe it's school-wide, maybe it's with a single student. You will begin implementing the steps needed to create the action plan. Of course, this comes with a time period, so after you have done your implementation time period, whatever that might be, you move on to the bottom right corner, which would be to evaluate. After implementing the steps needed to see improvement in the chosen area, evaluate the area with current data. So depending on what that might be, it might be a formative assessment, it might be another survey if this is school-wide and it's based on the culture of the school. So you'll evaluate current data. And then that leads us to the adjustment step. After evaluating current data, continue with action plan steps if improvement occurred. So if you saw improvement occur, there won't be much adjustment. You'll just continue on with your action plan. However, if improvement did not occur, then you'll adjust the action plan as needed. So maybe your action plan or a step in your action plan needs to change in order to see better improvement. And then this is my chart that teachers would be able to print out, and I made it very basic so that you could use this for whatever you like. It could be a teacher in a classroom, it can be a specialist. It can be a specials teacher, an administrator. So it begins with a place for you to write your essential question on the left. In which area and how much improvement are you looking for? So you need to start with a basis for creating your action plan. So what is the area? Is it math? Is it school culture? And then how much improvement are you looking for? Set a number to that. Are you wishing that 5% of students improve their scores? Are you hoping that 20% of people say there isn't bullying going on in your school? So you'll choose your area and how much improvement you're looking for. And then it'll go into the next step, which is either green or red. Green, you saw improvement in the area with the steps that you implemented. Or red, you did not see the improvement you were looking for with your implemented steps. So if you are in the green, you saw improvement, you'll break down what steps you think improved the area. And then the yellow here, what steps do you think you could improve for the future? Because remember, you're going to continue implementing these steps, so maybe you see an area for improvement within this. And then if you're in the red, you did not see improvement in the area with the implemented steps. That is when you are going to adjust and reflect. So in this box here, you'll write what are other ways you can improve that area, or what are other steps that you can do instead to improve your action plan. So this is my Module 12 Data Protocol Assessment.